Hi there everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to take your screencast-o-matic that you created on your presentation for the social justice issue, and you should have uploaded it into YouTube already. And to take that YouTube video, and now we want you to publish it on our website. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So let me get me out of the way so I don't distract us. You will start here on our website. You need to log in, make sure you're logged in. This is our course homepage, and of course we have our link here to our course site. Okay, so we want to go visit the course site. This is the course site, and we will be publishing it as a blog post, and it will appear on this page called Global Social Issues, Social Justice Issues. So we want a nice listing of all of these social justice issues so that everyone can see them and easily comment and respond to them. So how will we do that? Okay, the first step is going to be to make sure you have your YouTube video uploaded, as I said. Here, Dr. G has created a nice model presentation in Screencast-O-Matic, and she's uploaded it into her YouTube channel, and she gave me the link, and I have it here. And it's called Violence Against Women, and her country or home culture is Turkey. So we have our video. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to get into the dashboard of the website. To get into the dashboard, you can come up here to dashboard, up here. There's other ways to get there, but that's one easy way. It's like a toggle. You can go back and forth between the front, what we call the front published side of the website, and this is the back of the website, where you create and manage all the content that appears on it. So over here on the left black menu, you might not have all of these items because I'm an administrator, but you definitely have posts because you're all contributors and writers for the website. So you're going to come over here to posts. When you select posts, it will give you a list of all the posts that have been created so far. We only have a couple. I only have the initial ones for each of those 2 pages that we have. One is for our education essays and one is for the social justice issues. Okay, so what makes them different? You see here categories. Categories is what puts the different content on those 2 pages. So we want to make sure that the blog post we create is in the category of global social justice issues, and I'll show you how to do that. It's real simple. Okay, so we want to create a new blog post. How do we do that? We come up here, post, add new. This is one way to do it. There's another button over here, and there's other ways as well, but this is usually the easiest way to go to the top of the post. And then it brings you into the blog post template. The template has a title section and then the first what they call block. The block can be text, it can be an image, it could be a video, but the first step is making a title because the title is important. You need to have a title in order to publish. So our title, I would like it to be the topic or the social justice issue that you've been working with. So violence against women, and the country is Turkey. So I will put in Turkey. This is a very simple little title. I'm going to use title caps. And then the next block, now we have our title. That's good. The next block, you can see, has a little plus sign. Now this is expecting text. If I don't want to write something, I want to add a video, I have to come to this plus sign and tell it what kind of content I'm adding. And you can see it pops up YouTube. I'm going to select YouTube. Now it gives me this little form, enter URL. I have to go back over here and get my URL. I get that, I'm in YouTube, I go to share, and it will pop up right here, the URL, and it gives you a nice little copy button. You get that, you can close that, go back to our window. Now I'm going to paste it in there, and you just press embed. So you don't need an embed code. Some of you might be familiar with embed codes. You don't need an embed code, it will embed it. It will put the coding in there to embed. Press embed. And you'll see it's embedding that video very nicely in there. Okay, now we just want to make sure that it has a category. That's our last step. We come up here to the settings or the cog up here, We click that. Now, right now it's giving me the settings for the block. The block is the YouTube video. There's some advanced settings you could do if you wanted. There's not really much you can do. But we want to check the document. We want to make settings on the document. So press document up here in this tab. And now if you scroll down, you'll see categories are already there. And right now we can select education essays, global social justice issues, or uncategorized. We want to, of course, select global social justice issues. Okay, once we have that, we can close it. Now we're going to publish, and it will ask, are you ready to publish? They just want you to double check, and we will say yes, we want to publish. And it's as simple as that. That's your first blog post. It also gives you a link in case you would want to put that anywhere else. And if you'd like, you can go in, take a look, and see how that came out. And so this is how it's going to appear. When someone opens the blog post, they will see the title, they'll see the author, and they'll be able to leave a comment, and they can watch your video right in the page. So it's that simple. Whenever you press global social justice issues, you'll see we'll have a list of titles. Right now we just have the first one. This is the my initial one, and this is the one I just posted. If you want to go look at the video, you click on the title and it will bring you into the open page for the blog post. That's it. If you have any trouble, please contact Dr. G or myself and we'll surely help you out. Thanks a lot.